Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the 5 best exercises to fix shoulder pain. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. All of us have experienced shoulder pain throughout our lives. With the rapid spread of technology, all of us are using computers, smartphones, and laptops all the time, and having a good posture while using these kinds of stuff is not that common, and it ends in many health issues and pains for us. One of the most common types of these pains that are mostly caused by poor posture is shoulder pain. If you are curious about how you can fix your posture, we have lots of videos on our channel you can check out too. So, let's back to this video. In today's video, we are going to be sharing with you 5 exercises and stretches that help to reduce shoulder pain. These exercises are very simple and you can do them everywhere, and no special equipment is required. So, stick around to the end. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Be sure to do these exercises at least 5 times per week to relieve shoulder pain. These won't take your time more than 10 minutes, but you will see the result after 45 days. While you are doing these exercises, focus on relaxing your shoulders, and please notice to release any tension in your shoulders and anywhere else you feel tightness. Do these stretches only to the degree that feels comfortable for you. Do not push yourself beyond your limits, and discontinue any exercises that give you beyond mild discomfort and pain. Number 5. Cat stretch. This stretch focuses on both upper body and lower body muscles. You can do it not only in the morning but also at the end of the day to relax your muscles and joints. For doing this exercise, you should get down on all fours pose. Flat your back. Then you should round your spine and arch the back, drop the chin to chest. Gently contract your abdominals as you do this, taking care not to hold your breath. Hold for 5 seconds, relax and repeat. Do a total of 5 arches. Number 4. Chest expansion. This exercise has many different types, and all types will work on your shoulders. It will make your shoulders muscles stronger and more flexible. It also promotes the range of motion in the shoulders. You can do this exercise while you are standing, and holding a Pilates band behind your back with both hands. Stretch the band, and lift your chin up and look toward the ceiling. Hold the pose for 30 seconds each set, and having 3-5 sets is enough per day. You can also do this exercise at the gym with gym equipment. There is another type of this exercise that is helpful to shoulder pain. For doing it, you should bring your hands up to your shoulders, and shape little circles with your hands. Do it slowly with concentration and focus. Number 3. Neck stretch. When you have shoulder pain, your trapezius and scalene muscles are also engaged in this issue. So, this will cause neck pain and headache for you. The upper muscle in your neck, which is on the back of your head, will be so tightened if you have shoulder pain. With this stretch, you can make this muscle stronger. For doing this stretch, you should stand with your shoulders down and back. Gently pull your right ear toward your right shoulder. You can put your hand on your hand to give your neck more support. Then stretch your neck to the side. Hold the pose for 20 seconds, and repeat the action for 3 sets. Number 2. Child pose. Child pose is best known for its impact on tension relief. It not only stretches your back, your neck, and your hips, but also releases tensions in your chest, spine, and shoulders, which leads you to have a relaxed and flexible body. Allowing the forehead to rest on the ground has an effective impact on your blood flow, which is really helpful for increasing your muscle power. Child pose has some variations. No matter which one you have chosen, all of them have these benefits. We will give you instructions for the most used one. Come to your mat, make your knees as wide as your mat, bend until your belly is between your thighs, and your forehead is on the ground. Place your arms straight forward on the side of your head with the palms facing the mat. Notice that there shouldn't be any pressure on your neck, keep your neck normal and neutral. Number 1. Seated shoulder stretch. This movement has been suggested by physical therapists for those who want to strengthen their upper back muscles and rear shoulders. For doing this stretch you need a resistance or Pilates band. If you do not have a Pilates band, it's fine, you can do the exercise and it will be effective even without bands. These bands are available in various types of strength levels, you can choose the one which is appropriate to your level. For doing this stretch you should stand with a straight back, or you can sit on a chair. Put your feet as wide as your shoulders, and it is important to have a slight bend on your knee if you are standing. Hold the band with straight arms in front of you. Squeeze the band slowly by your hands to the sides. Focus on the squeezing, and do it slowly. You should keep your arms straight during the movement. And then return to the starting point and do it again. You should have 10-15 reps on each set. You can do it 1 or 2 times a day. Besides shoulder exercises and stretches, you can use other remedies to relieve shoulder pain. You can try the RICE method. RICE stands for rest, ice, compression, and elevation. RICE is a type of treatment for rotator cuff tendonitis. Rest meaning is obvious, you shouldn't use your shoulders. Ice means to apply ice packs for 10 minutes several times a day to decrease pain and swelling, and compressing your shoulders. When possible, elevate your shoulder above your heart level. You can also use heating pads or take an Epsom salt bath. To ease shoulder pain, if it is unbearable, you can take some medications such as ibuprofen or acetaminophen. You can also try natural pain relievers like turmeric, willow bark, or cloves. All these things will be helpful to reduce your pain. You can take regular massage therapies to bring balance to your body. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.